Welcome to Hummie's World classes. I'm so glad that you've decided to join us. We have a certain process that we follow for all of our classes, and the purpose of this video is to share with you that process so that you can get started quickly, because I know you're very anxious to get started learning. It's addictive learning. There's so much to learn here at Hummie's World, and we hope you stay with us for a while. There are basically three areas of the forum that you will need to become familiar with for your classes. The first one that I want to make sure you realize is here are the class guides. If you click on the tutorials tab here at the top of the page, and I'm getting ready to redo this header, so it may say class guides when you see it. We're adding a store as I'm recording this, and so I'm going to be changing the headers. But if you click on that, that's going to take you to the class guides. Now this first section is for free lessons. That's for people who are not paid subscribers, but this is where you're also going to find all of the written tutorials. So if you want the written tutorial for lesson 1, in course 1, you're going to click here on the PDF. Don't click and go to this video. This video here is the sample video area, but you may want to come here to get the free PDFs in some other classes. But what you do want to do is scroll down in the sidebar to where it says guides and look for your class. We're going to focus on course 1 in this video as an example. So here is the course 1 guide that you will be following. You will read the introduction, which is the page you come to when you first click, and then you will read lessons 1 and 2. And do take time to read what I write. Sometimes I give some helpful hints in the guide that I don't give anywhere else. And then you're going to find a forum thread link in each of the guides. This is going to take you back to the forum where the actual lesson is located. So I'm going to go ahead in this case and right click and open it in a new tab. And this is the thread where this lesson is that you're going to be working on. The free PDF, it's sending you back to the course 1 PDFs, and this is where you're going to click to watch the video. After you're done watching the video in each of the classes, return to the guide and look for when you are done. It's going to tell you what you need to do. This when you are done is really only in course 1. Many of the other classes are self-explanatory what you need to do. Most classes just require you uploading a layout. But so this one here just requires a comment, does not require a layout. So then I'm going to come back down here to the bottom and leave my comment for crediting purposes. In course 1, some require just a comment and some require a layout, and so be sure to read what that requirement is, and when you're done, go to the next one in the list. And then here is 3 and 4. If the lesson requires a layout, you're going to upload that layout to the gallery. Right here on the top tab is the gallery link, and I've right clicked to open it in a new tab on my browser, and click here to upload your photos. Now if you have trouble uploading your photos, if you go to the home page and look in the sidebar here. There's a whole section on help. We have lots of videos to help you here. So in this case, click on the gallery how to, and it is going to teach you how to use the gallery. This particular one is how to edit and delete from the gallery. Here's how to post from the gallery to the forum. This is an important video for you to watch. Basically, you're going to be using some links after you upload it, and to be posting back to the threads. How to upload to the gallery, and if the gallery looks funky. So that those are your help videos. But basically, after you get it uploaded, and you do need to use the Save for Web feature in order to upload it, and those videos I think will help you. And we're just going to pick any random layout here in the gallery. Basically, after you get it uploaded, underneath right here are some URL links. You will just click in here, right click and copy, and then go to your lesson thread. Remember the lesson threads that are in here? The same lesson thread where the video is. You would go to there. If it requires a layout, right click and paste in your compose box. Type any text that you want and click post reply. And so that's how you will get your lessons into those threads. We watch every thread and we will see those and come and comment in the gallery. So that's how you know we're following you. The next sections that you really need to learn about are in the forum. Let's go click on forum. And this is the main page of the forum, and if you scroll down, you're going to see your welcome area and some other areas, and you want to scroll down all the way to the subscriber area. This is where you registered for your class, and another important one that you need to be aware of is your class credits. And we're going to look at those in a minute, but if you continue scrolling, these are alphabetical. For instance, here's where all the course 1 layouts are. So when you're on the guide and clicking back to the forum, they're all actually coming right in here. But we have them organized so you don't have to look at them, so you can find the particular class you're in that way. But if you go into the class credits area and you look for your course, here's course 1, and go to the first page there, you're going to see our class credits. And here is your goal list. We have goals for you that we want you to accomplish before the end of the month, and here you're going to see everybody who's in this class and what lessons they have accomplished. And so you can come in here to make sure that you are being credited. Watch us as we follow you. When you finish the class, you're going to get a little icon by your name, such as these icons here. And if you have any questions about how the class runs, certainly just come right in here and scroll down to that quick reply and type your questions there, because we want you to be successful. We want you to be learning. All the classes work the same way here. So basically you need to find your guide and follow it back to the forum thread where you're going to watch the video. That same forum thread is where you're going to post your lessons, and then become aware of where your credit thread is, because this is where you're going to be observing us as we follow you, to make sure that you're getting credit for those lessons. If you do not get credit for the lesson, or you see some other errors, just post right here in this area. Please give us about 3 days to give you credits, because sometimes we're right on top of it, within 24 hours. Sometimes we have life going on, and it takes us a little while to get there. That is basically how these classes are run. All classes are same. Once you get the system down, it's going to be really easy for you to follow and join in all the classes here. Don't hesitate to ask questions. There are no stupid questions. If you have a question about how the classes are run or your credits, put that in your credit thread. If you have a particular question about the lesson itself, just put that right in the lesson thread where the video is. I look forward to working with you, to seeing your layouts. I look forward to watching your skills grow. It's fun. I love teaching, and I love watching people learn. And I'll be seeing you around the forum. Don't be afraid to post.